Good morning, students. In this video, we will explain class 12th subject chemistry or organic chemistry. Chapter is first haloalkanes and haloarenes. What is haloalkanes and what is haloarenes? I explained in previous video. You all know what is haloalkanes and haloarenes. Today's topic is freon and ethyl bromide. Freon is the chlorofluoro derivatives of methane and ethane, and next is ethyl bromide. It is the haloalkane of ethane. The formula of freon 12 is CF2Cl2. Many types of freon present in environment, but in this topic I explain freon 12. Next is ethyl bromide. The formula of ethyl bromide is C2H5Br. It is the derivatives of ethane or alkane. So first we explain or we start freon 12. The chemically processes which freon obtained and uses, and some environment effects of freon. The next is ethyl bromide, obtained in laboratory or other methods, some physical properties and some uses of ethyl alcohol. So let us start freon 12. How does freon obtained in chemically? These are the freon or freon 12 because many types of freon present in chemistry. So we discuss in freon 12. Formula of freon 12 is CF2Cl2. It is the chlorofluoro derivatives of methane and ethane. It is non-flammable, colorless liquid which have very low boiling point. The boiling point of freon is minus 29.8 degrees Celsius. So it's used as refrigerant and an air conditioning. They are less volatile than parent hydrocarbons. The parent hydrocarbons are methane and ethane. Freons 12 are stable up to 500 degrees Celsius. So it's used as a good solvent. They are higher densities than parent alkanes. You know that the parent alkanes are freons, methane and ethanes, but in it shows higher densities rather than parents alkanes. The most important freon is freon 12. It is gaseous condition. Its boiling point is known about. It's prepared by the treating of carbon tetrachloride with antimony trifluoride in the presence of antimony pentachloride as a catalyst. These are the preparation method of Freon 12 when pyrene or carbon tetrachloride reacts with antimony trifluoride used as a catalyst antimony pentafluoride. It gives Freon 12 and release antimony trichloride. The other method of preparation of Freon 12 is when pyrene reacts with hydrogen fluoride in the presence of antimony pentafluoride. It gives Freon 12 and release the hydrogen chloride. These are the some method which Freon 12 is prepared. Here we show some environment effects of Freon. Freon as important refrigerant and the major chemical responsible for ozone layer depletion. It's deplete the ozone layer. They also produce greenhouse effect which is greater than CO2. Here we show the reaction which responsible for ozone layer depletion may be summarized here. These are the reaction which responsible for depletion of ozone layer. The carbon dichloro or difluoride break the Cl or chloride ions, which chloride ions deplete the ozone layer and moves oxygen gas, and other part of which again it depletes oxygen and remove the oxygen forms. This reaction shows the depletion of ozone layer. So freons are most important reason which responsible for ozone layer depletion. The next topic is ethyl bromide or bromoethane. These are the ethyl bromide or bromoethane. The chemical formula of bromoethane are C2H5Br. The structural formula are here. And the boiling point of bromoethane are 38 degrees Celsius. In 38 degrees Celsius, ethyl bromides are boiled. Next is the preparation methods or which methods ethyl bromides are prepared in laboratory and other methods. First I discuss some other methods or general methods which used for the preparation of alkyl halides like bromoethane. From ethane and from ethylenes are used in the preparation of bromoethane or ethyl bromide. From ethane, ethyl bromide can be prepared by reacting ethane with bromide in the presence of sunlight. When ethane reacts with bromide in the presence of sunlight, bromoethane are obtained. In second methods, from ethylene, when addition of hydrogen bromide with ethylene gives ethyl bromide. It is the industrial manufacture method of ethyl bromides. So this reaction HBr reacts with ethylene gives ethyl bromide. These methods are used in industrial processes or industrial methods. Next is the laboratory methods which obtained the ethyl bromide. In laboratory methods, ethyl bromide obtained in two processes. First, by reaction of ethyl alcohol with KBr in concentrate H2SO4. The second process is by reaction of ethyl alcohol with bromine and res phosphorus. These are the two processes which used in laboratory obtained of ethyl bromide. Then first I discuss the reaction of ethyl alcohol with KBr in concentrate H2SO4 which obtained ethyl bromide. In first reaction, when KBr or potassium bromide reacts with concentrate H2SO4 gives HBr. These HBr react with ethyl alcohol gives ethyl bromide. In this reaction, concentrate H2SO4 acts also a dehydrating agent and it prevents of hydrolysis of ethyl bromide formed so that ethyl alcohol is not formed again. So we can say these are the irreversible reaction. Let us go the procedure of these reactions. This is the apparatus which is used for laboratory preparation of ethyl bromide. A round bottom flask placed on a stand on sand bath and 60 ml of concentrate H2SO4 and 80 ml of ethyl alcohol and approximately 90 gram of sodium or potassium bromide are taken in this flask called round bottom flask. When round bottom flask is heated on a sand bath in slowly, vapor of ethyl bromide are evolved which are collected in a receiver containing the cold water or ice cold water. When vapor of ethyl bromides are collected in ice cold water, then next process is purification, because these processes ethyl bromide is unpured. So next process contains purifications. Then start purification of ethyl bromide. The vapor of ethyl bromide condense or cooling processes, forming a heavy oily layer below the water. See in this structure, these are the ice cold water and this lower layer is the ethyl bromide. It is heavier than water, so it is collected in lower side of receiver. It is separated from water with the help of separating funnel. It's washed and dipped with concentrate HCl and mix the 5% sodium bicarbonate solution, and it's again washed with cold water, then added dried or anhydrous calcium chloride. After some time, pure ethyl bromide is obtained by distillation with phosphorus pentaoxide at the temperature of 39 degrees Celsius or 39.5 degrees Celsius. So, purifier agents are the sodium bicarbonate and anhydrous calcium chlorides are used as a purifier agent for purifying the ethyl bromide. The next process is or next method is by reaction of ethyl alcohol with bromine and red phosphorus. It is the next method of laboratory which obtained the ethyl bromide. These are the apparatus which used in preparation of ethyl bromide with the help of ethyl alcohol and red phosphorus and bromine water or liquid bromine. Approximately 100 ml of ethyl alcohol and 20 gram of red phosphorus is taken in a round bottom flask and apparatus set squares or stand. After few time, in help of the dropping funnel, these are the dropping funnel or Thiel funnel. Bromine water is added in round bottom flask drop by drop. By adding the bromine water, flask is cooled. Because this reaction is the exothermic reaction, so energy is gone out. So round bottom flask is cooled. When flask is kept for few hours in normal temperature, the flask is heated slowly on the sand bath with the help of burner or Bunsen burner. After few times, the vapor of ethyl bromide is evaporate and collected by these condenser and collected in receiver. Ethyl bromide obtained is treated with sodium bicarbonate in order to remove acidic impurities, then again washed with water, and the medium is alkali, and dried in anhydrous calcium chloride. Pure ethyl bromide is obtained by the distillation of P2O5. The purification of these method or other method are same. Next, the physical properties of ethyl bromide. These are the physical properties of ethyl bromide. First, ethyl bromide is colorless, sweet smelling liquid. These are heavier than water. The boiling point is 38 to 39 degrees Celsius or 39 to 39.5 degrees Celsius. It is soluble in organic solvent like phenol, benzene, and insoluble in water. Next is the chemical properties of ethyl bromide. But before explanation of chemical properties, we explain some uses of ethyl alcohol. Then next I explained the chemical properties of ethyl bromide. So some uses of ethyl bromide is its use in synthesis of many compounds, and it is local anesthetic material. The quality is lower than chloroform, but it is used local or normally anesthetic materials. Its use medicine industry in of medical. It is used also a laboratory reagent type materials. The main important use of ethyl bromide is it is used as ethylenetic agent in Friedel-Crafts reactions. In previous video, I explained some Friedel-Crafts reactions in many compounds. Next is the chemical properties of ethyl bromide. The chemical properties of ethyl bromide explained in next video, because the chemical properties of ethyl bromide is divided in many types reactions. So the chemical properties is defined in next video. If you all have any problems this topic, write down and discuss in Zoom classes of chemistry. Thank you. Have a nice day.